Hey guys, it's Erica from Erica Memory Plans. Welcome back to my channel for my first memory plan of 2021 in this new planner. These are the Caress Press inserts that were a collab with Jessica from Letters to Apollo. I did cut down a lot of this plan with me because this was my first time like doing my sort of like planning in these kind of inserts, and the paper is really thin, so it's really hard to pull up stickers. So I do have some undo, I just did not use it. I haven't used undo honestly probably in over a year, but I do have a fresh new bottle that has just never been opened, so I will most likely be using it a lot throughout this year because it is so hard to remove stickers on this, so that is something to keep in mind. Also, I will show you guys at the end. I don't really do a close-up or like a flip through or anything, but I do put my inserts back into my A5. It's just a Foxy Fix A5 planner. I got, I can't remember. I think Dean got it for me like 2 or 3 Christmases ago. And it's not an A5 wide, but it fits these A5 wide inserts. So that's the one I'm going to be using for this year. I don't need a cloud or anything like that because I don't need to spend that extra money on something I don't really need when this works perfectly fine. So maybe next year I will be getting a cloud, but as of right now, I think I am okay with it. This kit I am using, I don't remember the name of it. It will be in the title. This is the New Year's kit from Caress Press. I did use a lot of insert or a lot of overlays from shop Jessica Hart's, or Jessica Hart's, I think is what her name is now. I purchased it in rose gold and I had accidentally done that. I meant to purchase it in gold because I wanted to use these underlays from Plana Hannah. So I did kind of do like a mixed metal moment with the rose gold and gold. But I really love that quote on the bottom. It says, "Bring all of the good 2021 vibes." I just really liked it, and so that's why I got it. But it's in rose gold, so I made it work with just mixing a couple metals together. And then I kind of did like a floating sidebar, completely new to me, but I do want to try a couple new things here and there with these inserts. Um, the one thing I love about these inserts is that the boxes are perfectly sized for a header and a full box. So I no longer have to measure and hope everything is like straight, because it fits exactly what I need in there. And so it's so nice to kind of just move around, like put down what I want and not have to like start from the bottom or start from the top or anything like that. I can literally do whatever I want because I know it will fit, and it's so nice. Ever since I've started doing planning, I've never been able to do that just because when I got my Erin Condren and I was doing like planning like this, that was when she had changed everything. So I never fully got to enjoy it with like not stressing out with everything being lined up perfectly. Um, yeah, so that's pretty much it. Um, I don't really know what else to talk about. I mean, I might just get into the day by day. Oh, I did pick a winner for the last giveaway that is closed now. That was my last plan with me, I think, for the leftovers that I used for Christmas time. I think I'm going to do this every month. I mean, it won't correlate to when the giveaway goes live. So, in my last video that I will be posting for my January memory plan with me's, I will be doing a giveaway of any extras that were leftovers from any of the kits I did that whole month. So 4 weeks worth of kits. So I think that'd be kind of cool. So just be on the lookout for my last videos of whatever month it is. I hope that makes sense, like what I'm trying to do. But I think it'd be fun, and like all the kits would match and everything. So you guys will have all the stuff to do a little spread if you want. So I'm just finishing up here, putting down my headers. I did do a lot of overlays from Sticker Guru, Jessica Hart's, like I said earlier, Caress Press. And then for the header overlays, I did use SPC's header overlays, the star one, in rose gold and in gold. Um, But I think that's all I'm going to talk about the base. So let's go ahead and get into the day by day. So first thing on Monday, this was December 28th. I took a sick day. I think I called out sick this day. I just still was not feeling very well. I forgot that I was sick during Christmas time. So the sick day script is from SPC, and I used a emoji from the Coffee Monsters Co. And then underneath that, I marked that I played with some of my stickers. I did bring all of my stickers home when I went to go visit for the holidays. And I was just like doing some reorganization. And then I think I had just done a little bit of like me time and just planned in my inserts. So that was really nice. The Play with Stickers is from Kinsey's Creations and a Munchkin to mark that. Underneath that, I marked that I FaceTime Dean. The FaceTime script is from SPC, and I use another emoji with a phone. And then onto the next section of Monday. Since I did have the day off, it was a very lazy day. I'm pretty sure I stayed in my pajamas all day. So I used another emoji to mark that in a lazy day script from SPC. And then I also played The Sims. I'm sure a lot of people are the same way. They go through spurts of like playing The Sims. So I only ever play now when I go back home. I don't have time to play when I'm here back at my house. And I've like really been craving it because there's so much like custom content that's been coming out that I really want to try, but I just have no time to play The Sims. The Play Sim script is from Sticky Essentials, and I just use a dino from SPC, which is a super old sticker. And then I use a Pumpkin Paper Co-Girl to mark that I went to bed pretty early that day, and the bed early script is from Kinsey's Creations. Moving on into Thursday or Tuesday, not Thursday. I did go to the grocery store. I I don't remember what I got. What was this for? Oh, this was for chili. I was craving chili for some reason. I usually don't like chili. I don't like eating ground beef, and my dad ended up using ground beef. I hate tomatoes, I hate beans, and I hate corn. But we put all of that in there, and it was so good. I think that's the only way I'll eat any of those things. And then I did make it again last week, that the week I'm actually living. So but yeah, I had to go to the grocery store to pick up a couple things so that we could make that. And then I was also in my feelings. Just some things were going on that I'm not going to mention here, but I just wanted to mark that in there. The In My Feeling script is from SPC. And then it was finally payday this day. I talked about it in my previous plan with me, but finally got paid this day. So I used a payday script from SPC again. I used a lot of SPC scripts this week. Um, that's what it looks like. And then I was also super annoyed at work this day too. Just I don't know. Usually my phone calls, I can get them done with under 6 minutes, but for some reason these phone calls took forever that day, and so I was just kind of annoyed. The annoyed script is from Kinsey's Creations. Oh my goodness! And then I marked that we had my dad's chili. I used a sticker from Papershire, and then a custom script from myself. I still don't have a silhouette, but for Christmas, my boyfriend gave me the printer I wanted so I can start making my own stickers and doing my own scripts. That is a goal for me this year, is to just do stickers. I don't want to use any pen in these inserts. So I'm really trying it out. Um, I just need to get my silhouette, and I haven't gotten the time to like figure out which one I want and everything. So let me know down below if you guys use a silhouette. I know some of you guys use Cricuts, but I think I'm going to choose a silhouette. I just don't know which one I want quite yet. But I'm really excited about this. And then underneath that, I marked that I FaceTime Dean, and that is from Right Brain Paper Co. Those are both customs from Right Brain Paper Co., which she is no longer open, and a phone sticker from My Newest Addiction. Moving on into Wednesday, I had my doTERRA order. I think I just placed my doTERRA order this day, so that is a custom from Kinsey's Creations. And then I was just super anxious again, so I used a script from Letters to Apollo, which you guys can use my code Erica10 to save on your purchase, and then a Munchkin to mark that. And then since I was also anxious, I was just in my feelings. So I used another script that I did make myself, and then an emoji And then I also FaceTimed Dean, and I used the same sticker, except it's just like a different one, but it was on the same sheet, from my newest addiction, and then a FaceTime script from Letters to Apollo. And then to end my Wednesday, I just had a YouTube binge. The YouTube icon is from, where's that from? Clever Girl Crafts, and then a YouTube binge script is from Station Stickers, which you guys can also use my code Erica, just my name, to get 10% off. And then we're gonna go ahead and move on to New Year's Eve, which was, I mean, just a norm. No, it's not. It was not a normal New Year's Eve. Didn't go out or anything. So it was a pretty lame New Year's Eve, and I still was pretty sick. So first thing I wanted to mark is that I worked pretty late. We were closing at 6, and then I was just stuck on the phone for so long, and so I don't think I got off till 6:30, 6:45, and it was the same guest I was on the phone with the whole time. So I was like, great. I was so tired, and I wanted to like take a quick nap before going to see Gabby, but didn't end up doing that. So I used a GP girl to mark that in the work late script from Kinsey's Creations. I was also super tired, like I had said. I didn't sleep well the night before and woke up pretty early on New Year's Eve. So I was really tired and still really sick. So I used a tired AF script from Letters to Apollo and a Munchkin. I think it's Munchkin to mark that. And then I marked that I got ready for the first time. I think I just straightened my hair, didn't wear makeup because I don't really wear makeup, and I didn't bring any makeup with me, but I tried to look decent. And then also, oh, things are marked out of order in this day. My bad. I used a Rose Colored Days sticker to mark New Year's Eve, and then also went to Chipotle to go pick up dinner because I had not eaten the whole entire day and I was so hungry, and Chipotle was the only thing that sounded good. So Chipotle script is from Letters to Apollo, and I used a taco icon from SPC. And then the Good Talk script is a custom from Kinsey's Creations, and I used a Stick with the Plan Co. Two girls to mark. Me and Gabby just had a really good talk. Gabby's husband. That's so okay. I said that before, and Gabby had said something about it, but it's so weird to call him that because I just see him as Austin, not Gabby's husband. But we all just kind of like hung out, and it was just a good. I don't know. We just had like really good talks, and then I went to their house. They did buy a house, and so I went to go see their house for the first time, and that was really exciting. So I wanted to mark that, and I used a house icon from Clever Girl Crafts, and then also on New Year's Eve, along with being sick, I did have I don't think it was an ear infection. I just had an earache and it hurt so bad. So I just rubbed my doTERRA oils on my ear, and of course that cured it. Um, I mean, I don't care if it's some sort of placebo, but it helped me a lot. So I just wanted to mark that my ear was hurting pretty bad. It was hurting for a while. I want to say at least like 5 days. It was going into the following week. So I marked that with a medicine sticker from Once More with Love. And then I also marked that we had our midnight kiss. And then I was also just in my head again this day, was not feeling 100%. And that is from Letters to Apollo and a Fox and Cactus girl to mark that. Then moving on into the first, finally out of 2020 and into 2021. First thing I did was buy all the stickers. I don't know why I marked that. I think I only bought a kit from Crest Press because I think she was having a sale that day, and I think I was also getting the insert or the overlays from Jessica Hart's too that day. But that is from Kinsey's Creations, and I use a Happy Day Girl to mark that. And then I was so tired this day. I used a Munchkin that says not moving, and Sleepy AF from Letters to Apollo. And then I also did some laundry because we were trying to leave on Saturday. You'll see it didn't end up working out, but I wanted to get all my laundry done. And so I used a Fox and Pip girl. And then I had so many emails this day. I can finally say, as of today, February 8th, we are finally caught up on our emails. So it only took a month and a half for us to finally catch up. But we had so many emails this day. And then we had a pizza night. I went to Little Caesars. I love Little Caesars. It's like the crappiest pizza to get, the cheapest pizza to get, but I don't know, it's just something about it. I love Little Caesars pizza when you just feel like binging. So we picked up some Little Caesars pizza, and then I also could not sleep this day. or this night. I don't know why. And I knew I had to wake up super early the next morning, but I just could not sleep because I was thinking about like, I'm not going to get enough sleep. So I couldn't sleep. I don't know if it happens to you guys, but I was like getting in my head and making myself not be able to sleep. And then moving on to Saturday, I woke up super early. I had to work super early in the morning. I think I worked at 5, and it was so busy that day. So I used another busy AF script to mark that. And then after work, ended up calling Dean, and we ended up just like deciding not to come home that day after I just worked for 8 hours and was super tired. So I just took a nap, slept for a long time, and then for dinner, since it was our last night, I went to go pick up some Chick-fil-A from Chick-fil-A. And then it was so good. I haven't had Chick-fil-A in a long time. So I used a Chick-fil-A script from Kinsey's Creations and a pumpkin paper girl to mark that. And then I also marked that I packed. That icon is from My Newest Addiction, and a script from Station Stickers. And then moving on to Sunday, it was finally our road trip, our drive back home. We left super early because I had to work the next day. Spoiler alert, I ended up not working. I was so mad because I didn't know that there was no work, but drove home, got our Starbucks, got some McDonald's breakfast, and then just marked that I got gas. And then we stopped by Jersey Mike's to get dinner because we had no food in the house and we really wanted a sandwich for dinner. So we got some Jersey Mike's, and we had some ultimate cuddle time with the dogs. Oh my God, it was so nice having them all back together. But that is it. So here's my planner I'm going to be using this year. Hope you guys enjoyed this plan with me. I hope you guys enjoyed just all my plan with me's and videos that we're posting. If I forgot anything, always ask it down below and I'll be happy to answer, and I'll see you guys next time. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.